RBC Dominion Securities Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking to manage investments and monitor your portfolio on the go, the RBC Dominion Securities app promises a convenient solution, but is it really worth your time? One of the biggest pros is account accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for checking balances. In fact, the app allows you to view detailed portfolio information, track investments in real time, and receive market updates directly from RBC's research team. You can monitor your gains, losses, and overall portfolio performance without logging into a desktop platform. Another advantage is trade execution. The app enables you to place trades, manage orders, and access historical performance data quickly. Push notifications alert you to key market movements or changes in your portfolio, helping you react promptly to market events. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can feel clunky, particularly when navigating complex accounts or reviewing detailed charts. Advanced trading tools and analytics are more limited compared to the desktop platform. Additionally, support for international investments is somewhat restricted, which may frustrate investors with global portfolios. In conclusion, the RBC Dominion Securities app is a solid tool for monitoring your investments, executing trades, and staying informed about market developments. The surprising truth is that while it offers impressive functionality on mobile, serious investors may still prefer the desktop platform for advanced research and detailed analytics. For investors who want quick access to their accounts and reliable market updates, this app is a valuable companion, but it works best alongside RBC's full suite of investment tools.